Hello, my dear friend. How are you? I hope you will be nice. Today we are studying the most important question based on the objective question MCQ question. The first question is the basic unit of life is tissue, organ, cell, organ system. The correct answer will be cell system. Question number two. Which organ is responsible for pumping blood in the human body? Lungs, heart, kidney, liver. The correct answer will be heart. Question number third. Photosynthesis takes place in roots, stems, leaf, flowers. The correct answer will be photosynthesis takes place in leaves. Option C is correct. Question number 4. The green pigment present in the plants is hemoglobin, chlorophyll, melanin, keratin. The correct answer will be chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is the pigment present in the plant's leaf. Question number 5. Which gas is released during the photosynthesis? Carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen. The correct answer will be oxygen gas released at the photosynthesis. Question number 6. The functional unit of the kidney is neuron, nephron, alveoli, villi. The correct answer will be nephron. Nephron is the unit of the kidney. Question number 7. Human blood is red due to presence of plasma, platelets, hemoglobin, WBC. The correct answer will be hemoglobin. Option C is correct. Question number 8. Which blood vessel carry blood away from the heart? Veins, artery, capillaries, venules. The correct answer will be artery. Question number 9. The site of the gaseous exchange in the lungs is trachea, bronchi, alveoli, diaphragm. The correct answer will be alveoli. Question number 10. The process by which plant lose water is called respiration, photosynthesis, transpiration, exudation. Called the transpiration. Question number 11. Which hormones control growth in the humans? Insulin, thyroxine, growth hormones, adrenaline. Correct answer will be growth hormones. Question number 12. The male reproductive cell is called ovum, zygote, sperm, embryo. The correct answer will be sperm. Question number 30. The female reproductive cell is called ovum, sperm, embryo, fetus. The correct answer be ovum. The question number 14. The chromosomes number in humans body calls is A 23, B 24, C 46, D 48. Correct answer will be 46. Option C is correct. Question number 15. Mendel is known as the father of biology, father of genetics, father of evolution, father of the anatomy. The correct answer will be father of genetics. Question number 16. Which blood group is known as the universal donor? A, B, AB, D. The correct answer will be D, O. Question number 17. AIDS is caused by bacteria, fungus, virus, protozoan. Correct answer will be C, virus. Question number 18. The transfer of the pollen grains from anther to stigma is called fertilization, pollination, germination, budding, the pollination, called pollination. Option B is correct. Question number 19. The protective outer covering of the cell is nucleus, cytoplasm, cell membrane, vacuoles. The correct answer will be cell membrane. Question number 20. Which part of the plant absorb water and minerals from the soil? Stem, leaf, flowers, root. The correct answer will be root. Thank you so much. Nice. Please like, share, and subscribe the video.